birds in the road. Move, 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 move. Whoa. What a morning, beautiful. Heading to work. Good morning, my beautiful people. Hi, Mama. Hi. You excited to see Dada? Yes. I'm happy to see you. Back home from work. Yes, I'm home. I'm home. Dada is home. I miss you. Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. Yes, man. So, went to work today. It's a Friday, and now I'm back home, and yeah, just coming to check on the garden as usual. But as I've been saying in previous videos, just rain after rain, like almost every single day we're getting rain, like non-stop, you know. So yeah, as you know, that's my biggest challenge this season is the rain. And yeah, it's been a struggle, but we're getting there. And let's take a look at what's bust up, what I have now. Yeah, man, so this right here is more corn. And I know you guys said, oh, don't transplant the corn, don't transplant the gungo, this, that. But trust me, they don't die regardless, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know I'm not saying your ways are wrong or, you know, that's the right way, but I mean, it works just the same for me, you know what I mean? And that's my time right there. And this right here is some dwarf bean, just busting up as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna let the dwarf beans stay in this. I'm not gonna move them. You know what I mean? But yeah. And this right here, I completely forgot what they are, to be honest. But I know I saw some things in here. I don't remember what they are though. Alright. This is the callaloo, same way. Yeah, callaloo them should be good in here. I mean, the water drains out anyway. Yeah, but non-stop rain. Non-stop rain. Look on this frogger, man. Big and ugly. Shudger. Move. Move. Ratty this one. This big frog. Oh. Go away, man. Come on. Ugly, you know, man. I'm a blood run cool and miss them something. You know, Jamaicans don't like them something, you know, man. Some people just went to the shop, got myself 4 bags of compost. So these are sold like very close to me, which is much easier from where I normally go to Bunnings, which is a half-an-hour drive. So yeah, gonna be using these and buying more as well, so we get the thing up and running and avoid less water and more pots. Alright, some people, this drum right here is what I'm also gonna make use of it by cutting it in half and basically fill it up of compost and all of that and plant some stuff in it, you know what I mean, which is very useful. It has both ends. But look at this. I've just taken the drum from here and look at all the worms just literally was just right underneath it. They look creepy when they're like that. So this must be the worm change skin. I don't know, or that's just a dead one right there. Yeah. Creepy. Yeah, man, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna cut it and fill it up. Use it, you know what I mean? Making things that I have around useful. Yeah. And avoid the flooding of most of my crops. Alright, so almost finished cutting it. using a sensor right here, and almost through it. Alright, so that's it cutting off. Alright, so we cut some hole on the bottom of it, and we'll be filling this up with some compost. Stick around. Alright, so that's the half a drum right there. That's where I'll be placing that. And I have 4 bags here, which I think it will take all of them. And I have this one, so I'm still gonna have to buy more. But so yeah, we're gonna do this. Alright, so it's a bit rocky, so I need a stone right there. And I think maybe one right there. Keep it on a level. So balance. Alright. This is what we're working with. Beautiful. It's the first bag. Second. Looks beautiful. So definitely the 4th bag would get it right up to the top. So 4 bags do the trick. 4 bags get it to the level. That's our compost. Yes, my people, looking lovely. Stay tuned for what I'll be planting in here. Alright, so these are the corn, and as you can see, they have blossom on them already, and they're just at this level, you know what I mean. And my biggest problem is basically the amount of rain they've been getting, and this place just literally becomes a mud. Like, it's not even dirt anymore, it's just mud. Like, I just dig here, for example, just to show you all, and look at that, just water coming up. Dig right there, water, water. And I step here the other day, look at that, just pure water underneath the ground. So everything here has just become mud now, because as I said, every other day it's just rain, 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 non-stop. And this place, the water really settles here. It doesn't have anywhere to run off really, you know what I mean. Most of it run to the road, but right here is just where it really settles. And yeah, look at that. That already blossoming. It shows you that they're growing poorly. So it has been a real big challenge for me this season. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's what it is. But we have to take my little time and transfer things to pots nowadays. You know, so yeah. I'm learning my lesson as I go. Definitely learning my lesson as I go. So take a look at that sorrel. You can see the tree is not looking so good. And look at all that water just dripping. Just root that up. And this past transplanting stage. But I had to make a quick decision and do this. So plant one in this pot. I'm gonna fill it up with more dirt and compost, but I don't have enough right now, so I'll be planting sorrel in here. Yeah man, so that is that. Just take a look at the hole that I take the sorrel out of. Just within like 30 seconds. Water. No joke. You guys must have an idea of what I'm really saying now. I'm gonna take out this one as well. Come on. Pure mud. And as I said, the sun only come out today, but it looks like it's gonna rain again, so it's just never ending. Pure water. Good morning, my beautiful people. It's a new day, and it's very, very foggy this morning. Very chilly. Yeah, man. See how the place look extremely foggy. So this is that half empty. That one is full with the sorrel in it. I can definitely bet on it that the sorrel will grow better in there. So that is that. It's just a cardboard underneath. So yeah man, welcome back people. It's a new day. And it's extremely foggy this morning. I don't know if you are able to tell, but extremely foggy. And chilly as well, so you know, it's a bit cold this morning. Just a little observation of the garden, you know what I mean? Quick update, this drum is now full. And how did I do that? This is compost from this drum right over here. Focus, come on. Yeah, that drum right there. And so these are compost I was breaking down, but this is like halfway breakdown. I've been tapping it up and things like that, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad at the same time. Yeah, so as you can see, it doesn't look all that bad. Yeah man, so I'll be using this to plant with, so definitely will be working. So that is it my people. Sorrel in the half a drums, you know what I mean? And next month December starts summer, so you know more they may have to start growing, you know what I mean, in the summer period. So I look forward to that. So as you can see, that's the compost from the shop, and this is the one that I make. As I said, it's not fully broken down. Yesterday they had 4 bags, and I took the last 4 bags from the shop, and then I was thinking of going back this coming week, to get some more. But then I remember I had the compost that I was breaking down in the drum, and I decided to use it. So there's still some fresh fruits and vegetable inside of it, but trust me, nothing is gonna be taken away from this. And look at this, even to show you, that's a sweet potato right there growing. So a lot of stuff in here were even springing up back that has life in them same way. So yeah man, this is the compost I'm working with, and I still need to fill up these drum to put the dragon fruits in. So a lot of improvement of people. As I said, you guys been saying it and I've been thinking it, so why not transplant or start putting most of the stuff into containers, you know what I mean? Because it's the only way. Most of my stuff they're already gone, you know what I mean? The cucumber's not doing very well right there. The only one that's doing well is the one right over here that's in a container. So I definitely see the difference, and I'll definitely be improving. Well, I'm slowly improving, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's one of them things there. I have some dwarf beans here, as I stated before. So yeah man, we have to take our time upgrade. No worry, no fret. And the sun is rising. Give thanks, Father Great. I appreciate one more day. Look at all the pepper, my people. So much ready to pick. What are you doing with my finger? What do you do with my finger? Hmm? You're pulling it all over. What's it about?